Good day. For today po, i-discuss ko po sa inyo yung revised version po nung assignment namin sa Highway and Railroad Engineering kung saan itatakal po namin yung mga transportation issues na na-encounter po namin from our home going po sa school or school going po sa aming bahay. So, I'll start na po. Number 1 po is yung location of my home. Ito pong location ng aking home is sa Marmol Apartment po siya, Daet, Camarines Norte. And kung familiar po kayo sa Daet, mapapansin niyo po ito po is yung located along the highway po and halos sobrang lapit lang po nito papunta sa school. And then yung location naman po ng school is J. Lucban Extension, Daet, Camarines Norte naman po. And actually, pag naglakad po kayo dire-diretso, papunta po sa may bandang DPWH, makikita nyo na po itong Marmol Apartment po. Location of terminals. However, since I did not use terminals as a mode of transportation given that my residence is located in the same area as my school, I did not have anything to include in this section. This is because I either walk or use my two-wheeler to commute. Usually, kapag may sobra po akong time, naglalakad lang po talaga ako or kapag naman po nagmamadali po ako and ayaw ko pong maglakad papasok ng school, nagmamotor po ako. Location of the traffic po. In my area, heavy traffic is uncommon, so I am usually able to reach the school at the expected time after leaving my apartment. Usually, nagkakaroon lang naman po dito ng traffic kapag po may event po mismo sa school namin or kapag meron pong happenings or event po sa Eco Field. For example, may mga palaro po, palarong panlalawigan, mga ganun po. And usually, ang mga na-encounter ko lang naman na problem dito is yung mga crack na roads sa side po. Like yung nandito sa picture. And yung mga uneven and unorganized na mga wirings po. One time naka-encounter po ako dito ng yung wirings po is nakababa habang nagda-drive po ako, so tumama po siya sa mukha ko. And then, yung mapapansin niyo po dito sa pangalawang picture is yung mga illegal parking po na sometimes nako-cover na po nila yung part ng road. So, yun lang naman po yung mga na-encounter ko dito. Anyways, ito po yung the left side of the image shows the route I take when walking from my house to school. The lower part shows the path I use when riding my two-wheeler to travel both to and from school and my apartment. So, yung lakad po, pag nilakad po siya, 5 minutes lang po siya. Route taken specifying the mode of transport used. And then, ito naman po yung kapag po motor po siya, 1 minute lang po siya. So, that's all. Thank you po.